This is an introduction video of how to access the ABC 123 Trader Investors Pack for the webinar and also the Momentum Panel. So the very first thing you have to do is if you want to view the webinar, you can click this link. So if we click on this link, you can watch the webinar. If you want it, but what you have to do is you have to join the Discord. So once you hit the button join the Discord, you'll continue to the Discord, and once you're in, you'll be coming to this welcome screen. Okay? There's areas of interest: Investors Pack trial, we have trade chatting, questions, etc. But to download the trial, you just click on this channel right here, go to the Investors Pack, and you download it for your computer. People on the webinar, this will be still up for a little while. You can click on this one, and right on the very top, Momentum Panel, download, and you get your indicator. That's how you access these indicators for the NinjaTrader system plus your free webinar Momentum Panel indicator. Now, I want to stress, if you're looking for education, I post videos, and you'll get a link here. I put general trade cut. As you can see, people are posting, showing different things, and this is where I'll post, and I'll even put my bad trades right here, good trades, etc. And this will be an alert system that's coming in later. Some of these might disappear, some of these channels, but the main channel we're using right now is the general chat, the Spanish chat, strategies if you want to ask questions. There are some trading questions, but it hasn't been that active yet. But this is what I'm really trying to stress for you as day traders, because if we, as all these traders through this list here, building up slowly but surely, we start participating with each other, we can always look for new methodologies and try to become more of a consistent trader. And that's it for this video. Just make sure you guys pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day.